Hello, boys and girls. For today's STEM activity, we're going to talk about buoyancy. Buoyancy means the ability to float in water or air or in any other liquid. So, for this experiment, we would need a glass jar, some water in it, and I'm going to use 3 mandarins. So, let's begin. Now, can you tell me if this will sink or float? I bet you're saying it will sink, right? Let's try. Oh, it's just floating. Now let's try with a peeled one. Let's see what happens when we peel it. It's sinking. Now let's see what happens if we peel just half of it and not the whole thing. Let's see what do you think would happen if we just peeled half of it? It floats. So, what did we find out? The peel has air in it, which helps it to float. When peeled, there are gaps between the mandarin sections so water can get into it, making it sink. When it has peels, it's buoyant. A rock is heavier, so it sinks, and the peeled orange is heavier because the water fills it. So the mandarin peel is like a life jacket. See, the whole mandarin is like a person wearing a life jacket. The peel of the mandarin is filled with pockets, air pockets that the mandarin and helps the mandarin float. Just like a life jacket. Remove the peel and the cracks between the mandarin segments fill with water, making it more dense and making it sink. So try this experiment at home, and also you can try using mixing some solutions in the water like baking soda or sugar and see what happens then. Okay, thank you for watching.